Hey guys, so for today's video, we're doing a little throwback Thursday look and I wanted to dig up a neutral palette just because I've done like 6 colorful eyeshadow looks in a row. So I decided to use the Sigma Ambiance eyeshadow palette today. It's a super pretty, easy to use neutral palette. I do have 2 other tutorials with this palette on my channel, so if you want to check those out, I'll link those down below. But before we get started with this makeup tutorial, this video is kindly sponsored by Kinder Beauty. So I worked with Kinder Beauty on a video last November, if you guys remember. And in that video, we talked about the Kinder Beauty Faves box, which is the first box you get when you sign up for their subscription. Now I have my second box from them, so let's dig into this box. I'll show you what I got and we'll talk more about Kinder Beauty in their subscription. So the cool thing about Kinder Beauty is that all the products in their boxes are vegan, cruelty-free, and clean beauty. In your box, you could get makeup, skincare, hair care, and accessories. Personally, I find that the boxes lean a little more towards skincare, which I really like because I like discovering new clean skincare brands. Each month, subscribers get up to $165 worth of products for only $23 a month. Like I said earlier, they do have a faves box, which you get right away when you sign up. And if you want to learn more about that, I'll link my first video with Kinder to help you out on that. And they also have a marketplace on their website where anyone can shop at, and they have great deals on clean beauty products. So let me show you what I got in this box. So this month I got 5 products in my box. So first we have this Rosatique brightening mask. So this mask will brighten your skin. It delivers anti-inflammatory properties and it reduces the appearance of fine lines. I have not used this yet, but I plan on it. Next we have the Franklin and Whitman Vitamin C Eye Serum. This has squalane and chamomile in it and it smells amazing. It also has vitamin C to reduce discoloration and moringa oil and squalane to smooth out fine lines. So I did apply this before I started filming and I really like the little rollerball applicator on the top here. Very easy to apply and I think this will last a really long time. And then we have the Sukin Hydrating Mist Toner. This has chamomile and rose water in it and you can apply it really any time of the day or night. I did apply this right before I started my makeup and it really did kind of help just like soothe my skin a bit, but let's try some now. Oh, the mist is so nice on this. Love the smell. Next we have the Peak Beauty Medley Matte Quick Drying Blush. The shade is called Hours and this thing is so stinking cute and little, but look at how beautiful this color is. I am wearing this on my cheeks and my lips right now. Like, this thing is stunning, so you'll see me apply that later in the video. And last but not least, I have the Delia Organics Cleansing Melt. This is the best smelling cleansing melt I have smelled my entire life. It has vanilla in it. Like, oh, who doesn't love vanilla? And this cleansing melt will take all your makeup off and hydrate your skin. I'm gonna use this tonight, so let's cut to that footage. All right, and that was everything in my Kinder Beauty box. Again, everything is clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. So if you want to sign up for the Kinder Beauty box, you can use my code ANGELA50 to save 50% off your first box. And I'll also put a link to it at the top of the description box. All right, now let's get into this makeup tutorial. I think I want to do a pretty glam look. Like, it's going to be a lot of eyeshadow, definitely not an everyday look. I just want to go all out neutral glam. Let's do this. I'm gonna start with Daylily on a Sigma E35. And this shade's gonna go in my crease. Then I'm going to take Bask on the same brush, and I'm just kind of layering this on top of my crease, kind of doing the same exact thing that I did with that first shade. Now I'm taking a Sigma E25 with more of that Bask shade, and I'm just adding that to the outer half of my lid. Now I'm going to switch to a Sigma E42 in the shade Enrich. And you guys know the drill. I'm going to deepen up my very outer corner with this shade. And then going back to my E25 and just softly blending over that. Now I'm gonna take Luster on my finger. This shade like reflecting from the sun, so pretty. Let's go in the inner part of the lid. Guys, I love this. That is freaking stunning. And then going back to my E25 and just softly blending around that shimmer. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of burnish on a Sigma E54. And this is gonna go right in between that shimmer I just placed down in my brown outer corner. So just right here. And that just kind of helps the transition from this shade to this shade go a lot smoother. I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera and then we'll finish up the eyes together. I lied, I'm actually back now because we're going to apply the Peak Beauty Blush that was in my Kinder Beauty box. I think this packaging is so stinking cute and just like how minimalist it is. You just kind of slide off the cap like that and here's the color. And this shade is beautiful, such like a good universal color. My little info card says this is a quick drying blush that is a matte cream that will finish as a powder. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick up a little bit on my brush here. I didn't know if I wanted to do brush or fingers, but let's try brush and just pop that on. I'm in such a cream blush phase right now, so I love that I got this in my box. Look at how pretty this color is. Oh, I love it. I think I'm gonna try it on my lips too, once I'm kind of like done with the whole look. And then I like to bring some kind of on the bridge of my nose. This color is so pretty and it applied beautifully, like no patchiness. It's not picking up my foundation or anything. Love this. Okay, now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face makeup, BRB. All right, let's finish up the eyes. I'm gonna go back to Bask on that E42. I'm just gonna blend that along my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go back to Enrich. And this is gonna go more in the outer half of my lower lash line, just to deepen things up. Now I'm just gonna take my favorite highlighter, pop that in my inner corner. There's not really a super light highlight in the palette, so you can just kind of use whatever. All right, so now I'm gonna pop one of my favorite brown liners in my waterline. This is Urban Decay Smog. Actually, I'm kind of placing this more on like the base of my lower lashes. Not really in my waterline because it's like, it's not super dark, but I just love the tone and the very soft like shimmer in this pencil. Right now I am obsessed with these eyes. I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes. Okay, my lashes are on. I'm wearing my lash brand, the Bright Lashes, as always, and I'm wearing the style Lush. I know that so many of my lashes are out of stock right now, but they will be restocked end of this month, if not beginning of March, I promise. Let's finish off with lips. Have you guys seen that trend on TikTok where you like take your brow color, line your lips with that, and then put your blush as your lip color? Is that crazy? I kind of want to try it. For my eyebrows, I've been using the Rare Beauty eyebrow pen, but this has like a thicker tip. Because my brows are so dark, this is the shade Deep Brown. Okay. actually not terrible. This feels like very 90s with the dark liner. It's not bad though. Do you know how many times I've like forgotten a lip liner? And you could just use your brow pencil for this. Shook. And then like I said earlier, I wanted to use that little Peak Beauty blush on my lips, and let me just pop this open. All right, let's just try some with my finger here. Pigmented. What? This is kind of cute. And then I'm gonna put a lip oil on top. I'm gonna use the Sigma lip oil in Hush. Okay, what? I knew this would be cute as a lip color because it's just like, you know, a cute pinky kind of color. But with the brow pencil as the lip liner, I'm shook. Okay. Anyways, this is the final makeup look and I love how my makeup turned out. I'm glad that I got to play with neutrals today after doing like 6 colorful looks. I just feel like I should be going on a date right now, you know? I feel so cute. Thank you again to Kinder Beauty for sponsoring this video. Again, if you want to sign up for their beauty box, you can use my code ANGELA50 to save 50% off your first box. Such a good deal. I'll leave a link down below for you as well. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.